What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope all the fathers out there had a great Sunday, Monday morning. Let's start the week off right. Let's have a great Monday and start the precedent for our week. This video is a couple facets. There's a couple points I'm going to make in this video. First and foremost, super excited. Closing today, 4 p.m. My client, this has been her dream for 9 years to own her own home. It's super exciting. This was a long, tough deal. A lot of ins and outs on the deal. We've been under contract for 3 months. You know, it's a seller's market. It's nuts out there. We had to get very creative. The house was not even finished yet. It was being renovated. We went and saw it. We saw the downstairs was renovated, and we liked the way it was going. We took a chance, put certain stipulations in the contract, make sure, you know, the seller did his due diligence and did the house up the right way. And he finally finished the house. We got under contract, get appraised, even though we offered way over ask. It's still appraised. That just tells you how crazy the market is right now. And so long story short, we're closing today at 4 p.m. Super excited for her. It's awesome. It's awesome. And that's what it's all about in real estate. Yeah, listen, it's a living. We pay our bills with it. We make money out of it. We all want financial freedom. We all want freedom to do whatever we want. You know, the whole 9 yards in real estate. But at the end of the day, we are changing people's lives. We are making people's dreams come true, and you know, that's the biggest pay. So part two here, the second facet I want to address is my giveaway. I did not get to 50 entrants. That was the number I put on to draw a winner today. So unfortunately, it's not going to happen. I was at 42. We were 8 shy of the 50 entrants. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to get some sponsors to add to the $100 Visa card giveaway and the EXP mug, and see if we can round up something else to make it a little bit more enticing of a giveaway to people. And then we're going to come back eventually and do another giveaway. Again, 8 shy of the number I wanted. I gave it a week and a half, just didn't get to the 50 entrants, so we're at 40. We stuck at 42. But again, I'm going to go ahead and round out some sponsors I have, some people I talked to, and see if I can go ahead and add to that giveaway and make it a little bit more attractive to people to enter. Today's video, the main purpose of this video, we're going to talk about interest rates. You know, again, seller's market, there's a lot of different things that create a seller's market. Basically, it's big demand, a lot of buyers out there, and the big reason why a lot of buyers are out there right now is because the interest rates were at a historic low for the last 6 to 12 months. But now with all the different money that was pumped into the economy, with all the different bailout packages, all the different stimulus checks, the unemployment, all the different money that was pumped into the economy, we've created inflation, and inflation eventually leads to the interest rates going up. So they are starting to creep up. They're not skyrocketing, but they are starting to creep up. And with that being said, for people who are trying to buy out there or thinking about buying, but you want to wait because it's a seller's market, if you know, again, I said it again and again, who you work with matters. I know it's a seller's market, but if you work with the right realtor, he can still get you done. He can still get you under contract. So far in my 6 months of being a realtor, everyone I've dealt with has been a buyer. I haven't had a listing yet, and I've gotten them all done in a seller's market. Again, obviously there's probably other realtors out there that can do it as well, but again, I have track record in this seller's market of getting people done. All my clients have been buyers so far. So again, I know the seller's market's tough, but right now the interest rates are starting to creep up. And just for example, I want to tell you how big of a difference the interest rates can make. So I did some math here. Excuse me if my eyes divert to what I've written down, but for example, on a $180,000 loan, so whatever it is, whatever the cost may be, whether it's a $200,000 house and you put 20K down, or if it's whatever the thing is, we're going to go based on $180,000. That's the amount of the loan you have, regardless of the down payment. The amount of the loan is $180,000. Let's say 3.5% interest rate versus 3.75 interest rate. So a quarter of a percentage. So 0.25% of an interest rate over a 30-year term fixed loan. The difference of what you pay between 3.5 to 3.75 is $9,000. That 0.25 costs you $9,000 more over the course of a 30-year fixed loan. Now let's go 3.5 to 4%, a half a percentage point. 0.5% of a percentage point will cost you almost $20,000 more over the term of that 30 years. and then let's say a full 1%. So let's go 3.5 to 4.5%, and that's going to cost you almost $40,000. It costs you $38,000 and a little bit of change more on that $180,000 mortgage on a 30-year fixed loan. So interest rates matter. You know, again, I know it's tough out there for buyers. It's a seller's market. Sellers are getting what they want basically for it. But again, if you work with the right guy, who you work with matters. If you work with the right guy, he can still get you done. Go in there before the interest rates start skyrocketing. Again, they're starting to creep up. The inflation, all the money getting pumped in, it's not going to get better because the government is still working on even more bailouts, even more money being pumped into the economy. So the inflation is going to keep going, unfortunately. Even the National Reserve, the Federal Reserve, commented on it over the last couple of days about the inflation's not getting any better. It's going to get worse. And again, when inflation gets bad, that's when the interest rates start to go up. So that's the end of the day. Super excited again, closing the day at 4 p.m., making someone's dream come true. Again, going to work on getting something else for a giveaway and going to go back at it and do another giveaway in maybe a month or two. And then, of course, like I said, if you're a buyer, you know, the interest rates are starting to creep up. Let's get it done. Contact me today for a buyer's consultation. I'll tell you what to expect. I'll hook you up with a loan guy. We'll get you pre-approved today. Let's start going right now. Let's have a great Monday. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you Friday.